Hey guys, this is Dr. Zafar Khan, and in this video I will tell you about the premature ejaculation. So watch our video till the end to know about the premature ejaculation and the facts that are happening in the premature ejaculation and the treatment and the therapies of diets that will give you more stamina in premature ejaculation. What is premature ejaculation? Premature ejaculation is a condition in which a man can ejaculate sooner than his partner think or it's himself. So it will ejaculate earlier than the normal time. So that we will talk about the normal time that a man can ejaculate. So approximately scientifically we can talk about 5 to 7 minutes is the normal time that a man can ejaculate. But if less than 5 minutes a man can ejaculate, so it is called the premature ejaculation. So what is the cause of premature ejaculation? Premature ejaculation can cause by the anxiety problems, hormonal disturbance, and the lack of confidence, we can say, or there are the problems in the erectile dysfunction is the main problem of premature ejaculation. So how we can treat the premature ejaculation? There is some medicine like deoxytine and fluoxetine is a medicine that are the anti-anxiety medicine that can use for premature ejaculation, and the Viagra and Sphendra are the medicine that can cure the premature ejaculation. But the main thing that we can use in premature ejaculations it is the diet. Which diet we can take to cure premature ejaculation is the banana and the watermelon and avocado, and last one is a dark chocolate. These are the wonderful things that we can take in premature ejaculations. Secondly, we can treat premature ejaculation by relaxing ourselves and building our confidence. These things can cure premature ejaculation. And then the scientists talk about the exercises. The Kegel exercise is the main thing that from that we can cure premature ejaculation. So the question arises that would premature ejaculation or timing can increase? So answer is a yes. That it can easily, we can increase the timing of a person, or we can cure the premature ejaculation by our diet, by our exercises, and by the treatment of medicine we can cure premature ejaculation. So further information you can stick to our channel and subscribe our channel. Thank you.